you sell when the market reach, when this moving average they reach level 89.39, and then you sell the currency all the way to level 16.42. This might be a take profit, or 80.18. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This one right here is a live trading using our new mobile strategy. So if you're new, subscribe and like the video. As you guys know that we've been taking this account from US $5 all the way to 84. So now guys, we're trying to take this account to, I'm trying to take this account to a big amount. So if you're new to the channel, you want to join the free Telegram group, the link is on the description below. You can join the team. So let's keep watching. I'm gonna try to take my pairs, my network today, my Wi-Fi today is not that strong. I don't know what's going on, so I'm trying to sell a lot because the strategy, guys, is on fire. It's on fire, guys. The strategy is on fire. As you can see guys, I'm on 15 minutes. Let me show the secret why I'm taking this opportunity. I'm on 15 minutes. As you can see here, the market was at the previous it was at this strong sell. As I explained guys in the previous video, that whatever you see, this currency has a reach, this strategy has a reach level 89, which is a strong, very strong sell, and you can see it dropped until at the TP1, and then it gives some pullback right here. After the pullback, now it's giving it a continuation, which means I'm taking the last opportunity for the TP2, which I'm gonna be swinging this TP2 all the way to this level right here at the level 80.13. This is the reason why I'm taking this trade. And guys, I'm taking this trade live just to make sure you're going to understand how I'm using the strategy. Also, if you can see on the chart right here, guys, this is the secret that I think no one is gonna tell you this. I'm giving you all my secrets, guys. So I hope if you can see on the chart, you can see that the market has been at this point and gives some pullback, you know what I'm saying, and it gives some continuation as well, and then gives some pullback, and now it's continuing on downtrend, which means I'm gonna swing this one right here from here to somewhere around here, which is gonna be something about 40 pips. It's fine. It's it's better one than zero. It's all right, but I trust that I'm going to make it, because if you can see the strategy from here, the strategy as soon as the strategy reached strong buy, it bought all the way to this point. So now, as soon the strategy reached level 89, gave the sell until TP1. So if the person who been selling from here, it's already in a deep profit. I didn't see this opportunity area, but I just saw it now. So now I'm going to continue with this TP2. I will continue with it all the way to this point right here. That is the secret, guys. That is the secret. So as I'm trying to grow the account, I'm going to take my profit first from a UDCHF. I'm gonna take this profit right here, and then I will keep swinging with the next opportunity. As you can see the account right here. So let's let me first take the profit. Let me first take this profit right here. You know what I'm saying? Always remember to compound your account. Compound your account. You know what I'm saying? Always don't let your profit become a loss. Do not let your profit to become a loss. So guys, I'm trying to show you this is how you're going to grow your small account. This is how you're going to take your account from your small account all the way to the big amount. So as you can see, boom, guys, this is the account that we took from $5, and now you can see it's on 100 something. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait on these ones, and then I'll let you know, guys, once we hit the profit. So first of all, I'm gonna try to put my stop loss. Always remember to put the stop loss. Always remember to put the stop loss. So your question is, where am I going to put the stop loss? For this who doesn't know where to put the stop loss, this is where I'm going to put my stop loss right here. You can see this one right here. I'm going to put my stop loss somewhere here, but because I want the market to breathe, I'm gonna put the stop loss right here. You know, sometimes you're gonna lose for no reason, just because you tightened the market so much. You know what I'm saying? That it's also gonna make you lose. So I'm gonna put my stop loss right here, and maybe the market might pray, might do something like this. Let me show you. Maybe the market might do something like this, but at the end of the day, it's gonna drop. So in this case, since I know about that, I'm just gonna put my stop loss right here. This is something about 25 pips right here, because you can see I'm just on lower time frame. Okay, so I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. My stop loss is going to be 0.96171. So 96,171. Let me put my stop loss. Don't worry about the losses, guys. 96,171. Let me check again. Let me make sure. 96,171. Yes. 96,171. Boom. So you can see here is the 96,171. So I'm gonna copy all of them. I'm gonna copy all the stop loss, same number that I put it right here at this one. I will copy them and put this number applied to the whole trade. You know what I'm saying? So guys, let's wait. I'll be back in a minute after we hit the profit. And if we hit the loss, I'm also gonna come back and show you everything. You know what I'm saying? All right, see you soon. Keep watching. I'm back. Now let's check how far is our trade, the one which we took. All right, boom. You can see, guys, we in a profit. We in a profit already, guys. We in a profit already. So yeah, this is how I do, guys. This is how I do it. You can see I'm trying to grow this small account. So I'm expecting to kill the market from there all the way to this point right here, which is going to be something about 30 pips. And the moving average at this point, I hope it's also gonna be already at 813 level, which is this one. As you know, guys, as I said to you, you need always to take your profit at 16.42 or 80.13. So as soon as the market reach at this point, you take your profit. So guys, I'm doing everything that I do to try to bless you guys, you know, with my skills that helps me, my skills that pays my bills, my skills that make me money. So I do this to share all my skills with you guys so that you as well can be able to make money by your own. So I hope if you've been following my channel for a while, you know how it is, you know how I do. I have no secret, guys. Everything I do, I always share with you guys, because I know this is part of their this is going to be part of learning, and it's going to be part of supporting you so that you can be able to achieve that dream. So all you need to do is to make sure you leave me the subscribe on the channel, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to catch it, because everything that I upload on this channel, guys, is the skills to help you make money. It's the secret that you need to know about. All right, so please give me the thumbs up, like the video, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit the ring doorbell so that you might be able to catch the notification every time I upload something. So peace, guys. I'm out. Wish you a good day, guys, and I hope you guys, I hope you guys can see everything. Can see everything. So later on, maybe I will show you the deep profit, from this entry right here. Don't be surprised, because we started from beginning together. So I'm out. And if you want to use this strategy, guys, I already uploaded these strategies available already. Check my previous video, like two videos after this one. Then go grab this strategy, use it. It's going to help you a lot. I already explained everything, how you're going to use this strategy in order to make money. So let me give you a little bit intro. So you sell when the market this moving average, they reach level 89.39, and then you sell the currency all the way to level 16.42. This might be your take profit, or 80.18. This might also be your take profit. And then you buy when the currency when the moving average reach. You can see here strong, it says strong buy. You can also buy when the market reach at this point 8.18. You buy all the way to this level right here. Go watch that video. Is the second video before this, after this one. Before this one. So it's like a video that I uploaded 2 days ago. Yes, it's going to help you to apply this strategy in your mobile. So as you can see, guys, we're getting to the profit. We're getting to the profit. We're getting to the money. You can see so far we're already in a profit for 20 bucks, but we're coming for sure. We're coming. So change your life. Peace, guys. I'm out. Do the right things. Join the free Telegram group. The links on the description below. If you want to form on Telegram, I'm available. And the other thing, guys, don't search me on Telegram, because you're gonna search as scammers. Only join through the link that is on description for my video. That's the only way to join my team. All right, join through the link that I left on the description of my channel. Don't search me on Telegram. You're gonna find some other names that I don't know who is the admin for the groups. There is a lot of scammers over there. So make sure, if you wanna follow me on Telegram, make sure you join through the link that is on my channel. All right, on description of my channel. Cool. I'm out.